Hey guys, this is David at Arclabs. We have National Boiler Service here doing a test event for the next 3 days. Let's go check it out.
Hi, my name's Will Miles. I'm with National Boiler Service. Today we're here at Arclabs Welding School doing a testing event to hire welders for our company. And what we do is we work on boilers nationwide. We're pretty much the #1 contractor in the United States for boiler allergies.
We're really known for leaving the place better than we found it. We'll go from chemical plant, power plants, chemical refineries. We always put our top guys to it.
I did a testing event about a month or two ago. I've seen really great welders come out of this school. They hold a higher standard of their students. It's not only do they teach them the basics to welding, they go above and beyond and actually teach them what they're gonna be doing out in the field. And I feel like this would be a great relationship to where we get a bunch more welders coming to work for us.
National Boiler Service is one of those partners that we align with that shares our values. It's not just about how slick of a weld you can lay down, but how are you going to be as an employee with these industry partners?
So we're super excited. We've been working really hard with these guys to get them ready for this test they're taking today, and we're excited to see how it's going to turn out for them.
And before I became an Arclabs welding instructor, I ran the roads doing nukes and boilers. This is what I'm about.
Combined with Irby's experience, we've used all of our experience as instructors to get these guys to the exact point they need to be, which is that spot today. And we couldn't be more excited to have them here with this opportunity right in front of them.
It's kind of a 3-day testing event, so today will be their practice day. We'll go in and kind of see what their skill set is. The way I run it is, today I'm here to help. Hey, it's day 2 here at Arclabs for test day. See if all these guys actually put their skills to the test and see if they can pass this monster coupon. They're doing a 6G combo test in a restrictor, so they'll do a TIG, root TIG, hot pass in the simulator, and then after they do that portion of it, they'll take it out and put it in the 6G position and finish out with a 7018. On these testing events, we like to also look for personalities, see if they have a great attitude, a go-to attitude, because you could be the slickest welder out there, but if you have a crap attitude, you're not gonna make it far in this industry. We're reading body language. We're reading to see how well they react to when we tell them that they've messed up on something and actually apply it to their everyday welds. Here we are, day 3, final day of testing, getting ready for the bend test for our monster coupon. It's not an easy test, so if there's any kind of mistakes that they made, that's the make or break moment. These kids work their butt off, and I'm proud to say, hey, out of the 9 that tested, I got 9 structural welders I'm offering a job to. But here at Arclabs, that's why we come back every time, because they give us the quality of welders that we need.
Man, passing the test, it's kind of an indescribable feeling. I feel great about being able to get in there with National Boiler Service here in about a month or so and get my feet wet.
Yeah, I gotta say, shaking his hand, about one of the best feelings in the world. Got a job, got this cap handed to me. Looking forward to the future. I'm grateful for the Arclabs and giving us this opportunity to come out here and test their students and giving us that high quality of welders that we need.
I want to thank our industry partner, National Boiler Service, for believing in our students. But this wouldn't be possible without great instructors like Jesse and Irby. This is what we do.